I'm Brie the Plant Lady. Today I'm going to do something unusual. I'm going to deconstruct a bed. This was one of the very first raised beds that we installed, and it's just not been very productive. So instead, I'm going to remove the soil, put down Chapel Hill grit, and create a whole new workstation for me to be able to stage my Soil Cube organic compost bags, have some container plantings, and maybe even set up a table and chairs so I can enjoy a cocktail after a long day of hauling soil. So stay tuned for my progress. I feel like I deserve a double thumbs up. Obviously did a wardrobe change. It's quite warm today in the middle of December here in Fuquay Marina, North Carolina. And I'm quite pleased with my success of deconstructing this failed raised bed. If you ever heard me give a talk, you know I really encourage you to use your landscape beds and don't invest all of your money in lumber. And this is a great example of why you shouldn't, because if you're using untreated lumber, which you should be using, it decomposes and it breaks down, and then I end up with this amount anyway. In my case, this bed has really been failing for a number of years because I brought in some soil that had a bacterial infection called Ralstonia. And I haven't had a great success rate since bringing in that soil. That was actually one of the things that led me to Soil Cube, why I feel so confident in recommending Soil Cube over other more commonly available compost that you could buy at a local distributor. So one thing I learned from doing this, the best way to get rebar out of the soil is to beat the hell out of it using the bottom half of my mattock. This mattock is like the best tool that you'll ever invest in. So now I feel like I deserve another Who Garden. I'm gonna rake this out, and then I need to run to my soil supplier and pick up a yard of Chapel Hill grit so that this can become the workspace that I have always dreamed of having. Another reason that raised beds made from wood isn't a great idea, especially here in the South. We have termites, and you can see the termite damage. It's part of why these boards are decomposing so rapidly. But I mean, if you need to make a raised bed and you drink wine, why not just use your wine bottles? The recycling places aren't using it, so you might as well. They make a perfect long-term raised bed edge. The heat inside, the air inside heats with the sun, and what you end up with is a microclimate. And they look great, and they're really easy to move. So if you decide to deconstruct a bed like I just did, you can just move the bottles to a different area, and they look super cool, and they're a great conversation starter. This was the easy bed. All I was doing was moving this soil from this space into the adjacent beds. My next step will be to get the Chapel Hill grit to lay down so that this area is ready to be utilized for containers and putting in a potting bench and having my Soil Cube sided. That's the great thing about being a gardener. If an area in your landscape isn't bringing you joy, isn't being productive, it doesn't advantage of your opportunities. For me, what I needed was an open area to be able to have some of my tools accessible and ready for me. Changing this bed was the best idea that I've had in years. For more garden inspiration, follow my YouTube channel, Brie the Plant Lady. Until next time, cheers y'all.